Hi, this question asks you to find the surface area that is in contact with water. So this is Kjsea 2025 question 10. A water bucket is cylindrical in shape. The diameter of the bucket is 40 centimeters. The diameter. The bucket is filled with water up to the height of the water, 42 centimeters. What is the surface area of the bucket in contact with the water? So the surface area that is in contact with water, inside the bucket, this area, all this area is in contact with water, and the bottom. So we are asking for surface area of an open cylinder, whose you can forget about the other parts that you do not have. So surface area is given as the area of the bottom, plus area or surface area of the curved part. So the surface area of the bottom, which is a circle, that circle is given as pi r squared. What about the curved? The curved surface area is usually given as pi dh, but you can use the small h, but d, okay, we have ds is 40. So somebody else could do this, could say 2 pi r h. 2 times r is diameter. Doesn't matter where you put the 2. You can say pi times 2 times r times h. This you can take h in the front. Now let's work with this. The question asks that you use the calculator pi. So pi times, what is r if d, diameter, the whole of this is 40, then up to here is 20 divided by 2. So times 20 squared, or 20 times 20 plus pi times diameter 40 times h 42. So this is what you are supposed to do. You can key in your calculator because they are saying use the calculator pi. The answer that you are going to get is C, which is 64.501, of course, centimeters squared. Yes, so see you in another video. Remember to subscribe to this channel so that you can see more videos. Thank you. Hi there. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? If you have not, chances are you are going to miss my next YouTube videos. So please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be among the first to see my video. Subscribe, like the video, comment and share with your friends. Yes, comment. Would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.